What's up? So this is a return visit. We got this newer item we've been delivering, Hardie planks for these manufactured homes. The first time I came out here, they hadn't put this stuff on a pallet, and I was trying to go across the soft sand and desert here to the back of the mobile home, and this stuff just snapped right in half on the forks. So I let the store know and told them, hey, you got to put this on pallets, you know, to keep the bend in it, because at the store their forklifts aren't driving on smooth flat ground. Well, we're out here off-road and bumping around with the Moffett, and this stuff just doesn't hold up. So I get to the store today and it's still not on a pallet for the second trip, so I had to pull a pallet out for them and have them put it on a pallet so we don't make the same mistake twice here. But I should have seen it the first time when I picked it up that it wasn't on a pallet. It's kind of my fault. I could have prevented that, but it was a really busy day that day. I was trying to get extra deliveries done, and that's what happens when you start rushing stuff and you start making mistakes on judgment. So I gotta go slow with this. I'll turn on my differentials for the soft sand. Oh, you want it there? Okay. Right here. Just gotta be easy with it. No problem. Just gotta grab my photo, that's it. Alright, so just gotta grab my photo. So last time you had me take it to the back and it broke. Alright. So you can see where I went last time to the back. Where that I was trying to go back and hide it behind the mobile home here so it didn't get stolen. I got halfway back there and it snapped in half. He's even trying to prevent that from happening this time by not having me take it back there. So I guess we both learned our lesson on that one, huh? So when that comes factory banded, it comes on a pallet and you don't have to worry about it. But if you're going to get a partial order of that Hardie planking, just a heads up, make sure it's on a pallet or else you'll be taking it back. That was it for that one. Just a heads up on that product. And I'll catch you guys later. Give me a like or subscribe to the channel if you're new. And leave me a comment if you'd like.